Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm bringing you the brand new Fall Spice Glitter Gel collection from Light Elegance. This collection features 6 brand new glitters that are super on trend for fall, so I am super excited about these glitter gels. I have found that Light Elegance hands down makes the best glitter gels I have ever used. This collection was inspired by colors and textures found from spices all around the world, and you can buy them right now from lightelegance.com. If you purchase the whole collection, they come in this beautiful packaging, and there is 6 glitters in this set featuring different fall shades that are super on trend for this season. It also comes with swatch sticks, labels, and instructions on how to apply their glitter gels. All 6 shades are fine glitters, so there is no chunky glitters in this collection. But these are absolutely stunning and are going to make for the perfect fall sets. I'm super excited to use these. There was a couple colors that I really wanted, and then I just decided to get the whole collection. I couldn't resist, so I am super excited to bring these to you guys and to show you guys the new glitters. The first glitter gel is called Feisty and Spicy, and this is a blue. It's described as a sea of aqua, midnight, and sapphire blues. So there are definitely different shades of blue in this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I think blue is going to actually be really popular this fall. Pairing blue with like copper and browns is absolutely stunning, and I do think it's going to be a very on-trend color palette this fall. The next glitter is called Poppy Seed, which is a beautiful purple. It's described as a black purple background with popping flashes of lighter purple and darker purple, a classy and sophisticated poppy seed. So there is definitely 2 or 3 different shades of purple in this glitter, and I absolutely love it. Purple is my favorite color, so I am a little bit biased in that, but it's stunning. There's more of like a blue toned purple and like a red toned purple. It's kind of a mix in there, but they're all super fine. No holographic sparkle. This is just the straight purple sparkle glitters. The next glitter is called Jive and Ginger. This is one of the glitters that I had my eye on when I saw this collection, and I was super excited to get. And as soon as I opened it, I just knew it was absolutely stunning, and it's going to be so popular for fall time. It's described as a medium brown glitter with lots of copper flashes. So I would describe this as a brown, except it is almost unlike that warmer tone or warmer shade of brown. It just reminds me of a cozying up to a fire with like a warm hot chocolate and a cozy sweater. I absolutely love this glitter. This is definitely one of my tops in this collection. The next glitter is called Shake Your Salt Shaker, and this one is described as a rosy neutral glitter with a silver twinkle. And neutral glitters are always popular all year round, so I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this one. It's definitely neutral with that slight rosy hue to it, and it has excellent coverage, and it's just going to be stunning, especially this season, but every season I think could use a little bit of this glitter. Next is Paprika, which is a metallic paprika orange glitter, and I believe there is some red in there as well. It is definitely a bright, flashy orange glitter, and I think this is gonna go so well if you are doing like pumpkin nails or maybe like an orange plaid nail, something like that. I think this glitter is gonna be that perfect cozy orange fall glitter. And it definitely has shades of orange, but it has some red in there as well. It definitely has lots of flash and is very eye-catching. All right, I have saved the best for last. This is Smokin' Hot Pepper, and this was the other glitter I was particularly excited about getting, and it is a black glitter, you guys. I know everybody is always searching for black glitter, and black glitter is so hard to do. It's so hard to find because technically black glitters do not sparkle. You don't get that same effect as you do with colored glitters. So it's really hard to find a good black glitter, and Light Elegance has done it with this one, you guys. This is an amazing holographic black glitter. It's absolutely stunning. I know like come October, this is going to be a super popular glitter. It's so sparkly, and so that fine holographic glitter is absolutely stunning. I'm so excited about this one. This is definitely my top favorite out of this collection, just because finding a black glitter is very hard, and Light Elegance has definitely set the bar high with black glitters for this one. Now I'm going to show you guys some comparisons for these new glitters, and I do have some of their newer glitters, and then I also have some of their older glitters that you may not be able to purchase right now, but I wanted to show you guys the comparisons to them just in case any of you still have them in your collection as well. So let's get started with the comparisons. All right, guys, here's the entire collection. What did you guys think? Are you going to purchase this collection? I definitely think it's a great collection to have. It's well-rounded. You have a little bit of kind of every color, and you have the amazing black sparkle. My top favorites are Jive Ginger and the Smokin' Hot Pepper. Those are my two favorites, but really, I love all of these glitters. And I particularly love that they are all fine glitters, because if you want chunky glitters, you can always add chunky glitters to the nail on top of these glitters. But this is going to give you that great, like, fine glitter, full coverage base if you wanted to throw in some chunky glitters on top. but I'm super happy with this collection. I'm super happy that they're all fine glitters and the colors are stunning. I didn't have anything in my collection that really truly compared to these glitters already. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.